Listen, Flyboy, the contents of that case are worth more than you make in a year. You got that, sport?
I understand,
You
sir.
be careful. Do you have a fragile sticker or something you can put on that? Because I know what goes on back there. I had a box of cookies once and came back as crumbs.
The Mystic Portal.
Once we go through, we just need to find that case.
There's the case!
No, there's the case!
You take that one, we'll take this one.
Wow! Buzz, my back end's going to Baton Rouge!
Slinky!
Here we go, Woody! Woody, here we go! Woody! Nice flash, though.
Okay, Woody, let's go.
Take that, space toy!
Hey, no one does that to my friend!
Your choice, Woody. You can go to Japan together or in pieces. If he fixed you once, he can fix you again. Now get in the box!
Never!
Fine!
Gotcha.
Idiots! Children destroy toys! You'll all be ruined! Forgotten! Spending eternity rotting in some landfill!
Well, Stinky Pete, I think it's time you learned the true meaning of playtime. Right over there, guys!
No! No! No!
Look, Barbie, a big ugly man doll. Ooh, he needs a makeover.
Hi. You'll like Amy. She's an artist.
Happy trails, Prospector. Buzz! Woody!
Help us out here!
Hurry! Oh, no, Jesse! Come on! Jesse! Come on, Buzz! Yeah! Ride like the wind, Bullseye! Hey, giddy up! Come on, Bullseye! Yeah! Buzz, give me a boost!
There's the rest.
Excuse me, ma'am, but I believe you're on the wrong flight.
Woody.
Come on, Jess. It's time to take you home.
What if Andy doesn't like me?
Nonsense! Andy'll love you. Besides, he's got a little sister.
He does? Why didn't you say so? Let's go!
Hold it! There's a couple more bags coming from the terminal.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2...
Too late! Put him on the next flight!
crazy!
Just pretend it's the final episode of Woody's Roundup.
But it was canceled! We never saw if you made it!
Well, then let's find out together.
Nice roping, cowboy.
That was definitely Woody's finest hour.
Hat, partner.
Let's go home.